Hi everyone and welcome to another my tutorial. Today I'm gonna share with you how to create a cool 3D title in Filmora by using simple clicks with the free resources in Filmora. So let's jump into the Filmora and I'll show you how. I'm Denny Do. Now I'm in the Filmora interface, so first I go to the title and select the 3D meta title 6 to make a snapshot of my 3D title, right? I double click and change the text. You can change it whatever you want, right? And I just change the text and everything I keep remain, right? And I move it till the end of the video, till the end of the title and select the frame that I look good like this. And now I take snapshot, right? And now I delete everything on the timeline. And for next, I'm gonna make my video 11. With the lightning here, I select the Ultimate Superhero Element 7 here, right? And I just wrap it onto the timeline and export. And here, frame rate, I select the 25 FPS, and I put the name lightning and export it. And now I delete the timeline and it's here imported. Now I have my resources and I wrap and drop my title snapshot and change duration maybe for 8 seconds, right? And here first I want to make my title a little bit more by using the crop pan and zoom effect. I go to the crop pan and zoom here with the starting box. I keep it remain, but ending I make it to fit with the title. I stretch it out, right? Okay, I think it's good. And apply and take a review. You see that it's a little bit more here and bigger till the end of the video. Okay, click OK. So for next, I grab and drop a lightning video on the about track, the snapshot title, right? And here I stretch it a bit. Here you see blank here and I stretch it. I don't need to use the blank, right? Okay, let's take a review. It's nothing happened here, but now I click the lightning video and go to the basics and scroll down and select blend mode here, select the darken, right? And take a review how it works. You see it look good, right? And I just copy for more, 2 more, 1, 2, right? And with the video lightning, I select it, I transfer it from the darken to lighten because I want to show the thunder clearer, right? And you take a review right here. You see the lightning is cover the whole screen, but now I just want it cover the title. And I go to lightning video again and using the mask, select the rectangle mask, right? Insert, and I stretch it a bit to fit with schedule and make it bigger, right? And why? I make it fit the title, right? Maybe here. Maybe I think it's easier than you just hold and stretch the box, right? And with high. Okay, I think it's okay. And now for next part, that's blur strength. I think you need to make it 10% because it's gonna make your mask and screen it look good. And take preview and you see it look good, but here I want to make the title a little bit appears here from the, maybe that's called the fading effect, right? Okay, so now I'm back to the snapshot and add the opacity with the first keyframe on it 100% and I move it at the touch lightning video here and I add another keyframe and make it 0 opacity. And to the end of the frame, at the frame of lightning, I make another keyframe for snapshot. Maybe it's 25%, and I move late to the end of the video and make it add another opacity keyframe and edit 100 again, right? And now take a preview. Okay, hide the lightning and you take a preview. You see that? Oh, it looks a little bit. I don't want it faded here. I still want it from here to here. It's 100% opacity. So I add another keyframe here. Another here with the 100%, and I'll take a preview. You see, it gives a 100%. Okay, that's how I want. That's I want. And now start from here to the end of the lightning. The last lightning video. That's just from 0 to 25%. You see, it's here 25% here. And now from the last part of the title, I might make it 100%. Right, okay, it looks good. Now unhide and move like it. You see, it's good, right? And now I want to make my title look more interesting by using the go to the effect and select the my and light effect 14 here, and I add it for my video, right? And I still add the keyframe for this, right? For my effect, I double click and add the first point and make it 0, right? And second point here, and make it maybe 30%. And the last point, that's 100. And you take review how it was. You see, it's gray. So for more, I go to sticker and select the electricity 7. But I'm gonna put it right here, right at the point, the light point here, right? Move it a bit and stretch it out, and you take a look. See? Oh, it looks great. So that's all I want to share with you. But in my intro video, you have the sound effect and sound background, and here I show you the picture that how I organize all my sound effect and sound background, and I put the link that you can download the sound background and sound effect for free from the Mickey website, right? And some of them I take it free from the Filmora audio here, right? You can go to the audio part in Filmora and find your sound background and sound effect here, right? That's a lot of them free, but a lot of them you have to pay for fee, right? So that's all I want to say with you today. Thank you very much guys for watching my video, and if you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. If you feel my video ignore you, please bother you, please ignore my video. So thank you very much again, and see you next video.